Here is the blueprint for tutorial number 2. As you can see, the material is aluminum 6061. This blueprint can be found off www.emastercam.com. Hello everyone, and welcome to Mastercam X9 lathe training tutorial number 2. As you just saw in the previous slide, that is the blueprint we will be referencing in order to create this training tutorial. As you can also see, I've gone ahead and established my grid and changed my default wireframe color to dark blue from a light green. I did this by going through step number 1, which is setting up the graphic user interface. I'm going to continue on with step number 2, so just follow along. Come up to the top and select Create. Hover over Line and select Endpoint. From here, change the distance to 0.7 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Also, come over to the angle and enter the value of 90. From here, we will select Fast Point. In our fast point, we will give the value 0, -3. The 0 indicates the value along our x-axis, and the -3 indicates the value along our y-axis. This is of course separated by a comma. Select Enter. Your line should be created somewhere over here. Once this is done, select Apply. From here, come over to the side and select Create. Scroll down to Line and select Parallel. From here, we are going to parallel this entity. Grab the line and sketch somewhere off to the right-hand side of that line. Enter the value 3 and hit Enter. This should line up with your origin. Once this is done, select Apply. Select this entity and sketch to the left-hand side. Enter the value 0.25 and hit Enter on your keyboard. From here, we will select Apply once more. Grab this entity and select to the left-hand side. Enter the value 0.6 this time and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select Apply. Select this entity again and sketch off to the left-hand side. Enter the value 1.1 and hit Enter on your keyboard, followed by the Apply button. Select this line again, sketch somewhere off to the left-hand side, and insert the value 1.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Again, select Apply, grab the entity, sketch off to the left-hand side, and enter the value 2, hitting Enter on your keyboard. And the last time, we're going to hit Apply, grab this entity again, sketch off to the left-hand side, and enter the value 2.16, hitting Enter on our keyboard. From here, we will select OK. Now we are going to go ahead and create horizontal lines. Come up to the top, select Create, go to Line, and select Endpoint. From here, select Horizontal in order to lock the line in, so you can only sketch it at 180 degrees. Sketch the line from here to here. Once this is done, change the value to 1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select Apply. Your geometry should look like this. From here, we're going to sketch another line from here to here, this time entering the value 0.7. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Select the Apply button. Sketch another line from here to here and enter the value 0.3 and enter on your keyboard. Select Apply. Sketch a line from here to here. This time, enter the value 1.3, hitting Enter on your keyboard. Select Apply again. Grab this point from here to here as a rough sketch and insert the value as 1. From here, we are going to go ahead and select Apply. Select this endpoint here and follow it along to this endpoint here and select it. Once this is done, your geometry should look as shown. Select the Apply button one last time. From here, we're going to unlock our horizontal line in order to create a diagonal line. Create your diagonal line from this location down to this location here, and select OK when this is finished. Your geometry should look as shown. If you're having a hard time seeing it, simply come up to the top ribbon bar here and select the Fit button. We're going to go ahead and clean up this geometry now. Go to Edit, scroll down to Trim Break, and select Trim Break Extend. From here, we're going to select the divide key right here. And we're going to select this line, and this line to make them disappear. Up at the top, we're going to change our line or trim function to trim two entities. From here, we're going to start to trim. Select this line here, followed by this line here to this line here to this line here to this line. Come over to this side, select this line to this line, and this line to this line. Your geometry should look as shown. With this being said, select the OK button. From here, we are going to go up to the top and select Create. Scroll down to Fillet and select Entities. We need to ensure that the radius is 0.25 and that our style is normal. Once this is done, we will select this line followed by this line, and we will select the Apply button. Come over to the left hand side and change the radius from 0.25 to 0.1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, select this line to this line, select this line to this line, and select this line to this line. Your geometry should look as shown. Select OK when finished, and come over to the side here and select File, Save As. From here, insert a name for the file, somewhere where you can find it, and hit the Save button.